What's the meaning of compulsive? Compulsive. Compulsive.
Compulsive. Compulsive. The word compulsive refers to the act of being unable to resist or control a certain behavior or emotion. It is often associated with negative or harmful habits such as drug addiction, gambling, or obsessive-compulsive disorder. When someone is described as compulsive, it means that they have an irresistible urge to engage in certain activities, even if they know they are harmful or undesirable. This can lead to negative consequences, both for the individual and those around them, and may require professional help to overcome.